Today I would like to show you the work that we did about Mexico. We researched quite a bit and we also found some really wonderful photos online and added these to the homeschooling book. So Mexico is located right below the USA on the American continent. Mexico is located in Middle America, bordering the Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, and the Pacific Ocean. The capital city is Mexico City. So I just want to show you here. Pacific Ocean is on the left side of America, and the Atlantic Ocean is on this side. Okay, here we have the Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico. It's right there. So down here we have basically Central America. In Mexico, people speak Spanish, but also 68 other indigenous languages. There are 126.7 million people in Mexico. Then we did a wonderful exercise in drawing the flag of Mexico, which has an eagle on it, and the eagle has a snake in its fangs and its beak. It's very detailed, so we tried having a go at drawing that one. Mexico is Latin America's most visited tourist destination. Hang on. The meteorite that wiped out the dinosaurs struck Mexico. That's a fact. Around 1000 AD, Chichen Itza in the Yucatan was the center of the Mayan civilization. Mexican food is enjoyed around the world. And Mexico is known for its rich culture, ancient ruins, dazzling beaches, and incredible cuisine. So there are just some fun facts we found on Google. If you find any more, you can write them in the comments below, and we can always learn from each other. We can learn more facts. So here Ben just drew a few different Mexican foods. Some of these you may have cooked already. Some of these maybe not. And we can definitely do a cooking project out of this one as well. And down here we just had a go at actually drawing Chichen Itza as well. So this is a photo that I found online. And here we go. It looks really, really good. So I would like you to go and research about Mexico. Make it really, really nice and colorful, like the people who live there. Find it on the map. And find some wonderful foods that you like to enjoy and do a cooking lesson. So there you have it. Have fun. Beautiful beaches there as well. Have fun with your Mexico project. See you in the next video. Bye.